In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your tables in Confluence. We'll start on the Confluence home, open your space, and head to the page or database that contains the table you want to adjust. With the table open, look for the table layout controls. Begin in the table view. Here you can choose whether to show number entries. Turning this on gives you a quick count of items in the view, which is helpful for reporting or tracking progress. Turning it off keeps the header cleaner if you prefer a minimal layout. Now let's switch to the gallery view. Open Gallery, then go into Display Options. The first setting to tailor is card size. Try small for dense, scannable grids, medium for a balanced overview, or large when you want visuals and long text to breathe. Pick the size that matches how your team consumes information. Next, toggle cover image. If your entries include images, enabling this makes the gallery more visual and engaging. Disable it if your content is mostly text and you want a compact layout. Finally, choose whether to display field names. Showing field names adds clarity when cards have multiple properties. Hiding them saves space when your team already knows what each value represents. Switch over to the board view to organize information by categories. Select Group, then choose the field you want to group by, such as status or owner. This turns your data into columns that mirror your workflow. If you want more structure, open Configure Groups to rename or reorder groups, and add Subgroup if you need a secondary grouping. Subgroups are optional but great for breaking work down further while keeping everything in one board. While still in board, open Display Options again to fine-tune how cards look. Adjust card size just like in Gallery, small for compact lists, medium for balance, large for readability. Toggle cover image if visual cues help your team spot the right cards quickly. Then choose whether to display field names to either emphasize context or streamline the card surface. When you're happy with the layout and settings, click Save Changes so your view is preserved for you and your collaborators. To populate your table or test the layout, use Add Entry to create new items. This is a quick way to verify that your sizing, grouping, and display choices work with real content. That's it. You've customized table, gallery, and board views, refined card presentation, grouped your data for clarity, and saved it all so your team can work more efficiently. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your streamlined Confluence tables.